Hi guys, welcome back to the channel.
And today we have this beautiful piece from GizFab, which will make it very easy for you to install a race seat in your Micra. So let's just do that. So a quick look at it from closer. So as you can see, it's all essentially the stock mounting point of your Micra. Adjustment to put your car seat. And yeah, it's beautifully finished and actually pretty cheap, 150 quid for a pair, including that. Not bad. Alright, so we'll replace this seat. As you've seen, a little Micra kind of sat outside, a bit like this one. So yeah, very easy to mold, but essentially, what you want is one here, one over there, and one over there, and they're all 14 mil. Front is easy enough. To get the back, just slide the seat forward, and then you've got plenty of room to work. Next, basically just shove the mount in there, and as we can see, same mounting point, so you can reuse your screw from your stock seat. Here I'm just going to shove them in place first. And here we go, all set.
Yeah, it's quite tight, but I mean for me it's quite perfect, but it might be tight for some people. Can adjust it as well, but
yeah, so yeah, we're actually quite forward on the adjustment because of those guys we had from the previous cage basically. We might have to switch it a little bit depending on where we want it. But now the steering wheel looks really... You've got the cage, you've got the proper bucket seat, and you still have the stock steering wheel. We need to sort that out soon.
yeah.
But yeah, otherwise, when it comes to the mount, looking solid. As always for GizFab product, to be honest, he knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
And that's it, guys. That was pretty much, yeah, all we wanted to see. We've got a second mount, but we've only got one race seat, so
Yeah.
yeah, you know, maybe one day we'll buy two that look the same. It never happened, but there's still hope. Anyway, if you like Micras, we've got this one, we've got this one, we've got this one. That's a 1.3. So yeah, subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.